Welcome to Clean Air Together. I'm Sabrina Moore. I'm a science officer with Antashka, and I'm going to show you how to install your diffusion tube. Go to cleanairtogether.ie and click on the Sign In button. Then enter your email address. This is the email where you're receiving our communications. The air code of the measurement location. Make sure to exclude any space, it's just in one block. And then the tube ID, that's the 7-digit number on the tube. Once logged in, fill in the day and time you installed your tube. This is really important. Then estimate the distance between the building and the road curb. Just stand outside of the building, and one extended step of an adult is roughly a meter. This is the diffusion tube. It has two caps, a gray cap and a white cap. So you're going to take off the white cap. It's important that you keep it somewhere safe because you'll need it in 4 weeks. So I'll put it in my pack. Then take the black washer and slide it up the tube. I'll get it quite close to the gray cap. And that's the way your tube is going to sit in the tube hanger. It is now time to drop the tube into the hanger, keeping the gray cap on top. Thanks so much for taking part, and we're very excited to see your results.